Hey,
So,
Vicky's got something to share with you that we've got coming up in
Yeah.
April. Really excited about this. So
yeah, I
you
hope
might want to get your writing pen out because you're going to need it for this
Yeah,
announcement.
we're going to do a workshop in April, and it's going to be online, so you can join us from anywhere. I've set up an Eventbrite listing, and what we're going to do is hold an accountability group and keep each other writing for just 5 minutes a day. So if you want to join us, and it doesn't matter if you want to just write like in a therapeutic way, just to get things out of your head. If you want to do a little songwriting, we got a genius songwriter here that can
I
provide
don't know
some
about that, but I'll be glad to give you my feedback for what it's worth.
provide some tips along the way. I shared a post, well, Scott and I both shared a post. I was writing some of the captions of the photos, and the one right below this in the feed, where I was sharing some examples of how my ancestors have been such writers through the years, and it allowed us to learn about the story that my grandparents and great-grandparents had the same anniversary date as Scott and I, but
Pretty crazy.
we didn't know that when we picked the date that we were going to get married.
Yeah,
That's pretty
and
cool.
that is pretty amazing.
So anyway, I would love for you to join us. We're going to go live in a private Facebook group 2 times a week. It will probably alternate the times each week depending on our schedules, and to make it possible for more of you to join us in those live sessions. Those will just be 30 minutes, and they'll be optional. So if all you would like to do is treat it more as a self-study and get your motivation from the posts within the private Facebook group, oh, I'm looking forward to it. And we've had our first registrations already, so I thank you for those of you who have already registered, and I think it's just going to be a lot of fun.
It is.
I anticipate there'll be just a lot of laughing and fun networking. So even if you're not sure if you're into wanting to write every day, I bet you'd have a good time.
Should be right on the spot.
Yeah, yeah.
Get it? Right on the spot.
Another Scottism.
Yeah.
See you
Hey,
later.
Watch it. Take care. Bye.
Bye.